thank you for bringing my luggage up. It's been a long journey.
You're welcome, sir. I hope you have a pleasant stay. Let me give you some information about the room. This is a deluxe room with a beautiful view of the city. The hot water in the bathroom is available 24/7, and you can control the temperature using the knob on the shower.
That's good to know.
There's also a safe in the closet where you can keep your valuables. Just set a code, and you'll be the only one with access.
Yeah, that's fine.
And here's the TV remote. The TV has a wide selection of channels for your entertainment.
All right, thanks.
Is there anything else you'd like to know, sir?
No, I think I've got it. Thanks.
All right then. If you need any assistance during your stay, don't hesitate to call the front desk. Enjoy your stay. Sir, if you have any questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to ask. I'm here to help.
Yeah, I heard you. I'll call if I need anything.
Of course, sir. And if you need recommendations for local restaurants or attractions, I can provide those as well.
No, thanks. I've been here before. I know my way around.
All right, sir. Just a reminder, our room service is available 24/7, and you can order from the menu in the drawer.
Oh, that's good to know. Thanks.
You're welcome, sir. If you have any other questions later, feel free to call. Just a quick reminder, sir. We also offer a complimentary breakfast buffet in the hotel restaurant. It's quite popular among our guests.
Look, I heard you the first time. I don't need all this information right now. I just want to relax.
I apologize if I've been too thorough, sir. If you change your mind or have any questions later, please don't hesitate to reach out.
You know what? Here's a tip for your patience. Sorry for not paying attention earlier.
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it. If there's anything else you need, just let me know. Enjoy your stay. Have a great day, sir.
You too, and thank you for your assistance. Wait, one more thing. Do you have any recommendations for a good local restaurant nearby?
Of course, sir. There's a fantastic Italian restaurant just a block away. It's called La Trattoria. They serve delicious pasta and have a cozy ambiance.
That sounds great. Thanks for the tip. I'll check it out tonight.
You're very welcome, sir. Enjoy your meal, and if you need any more suggestions, don't hesitate to ask. Have a wonderful stay.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.